Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over silver. Today we are up 46 basis points on the 1 hour chart. We are on positive MACD and we are slowly climbing up as we are using the 9 and 18 moving average as support. And for the 4-hour chart we made a nice reversal. We made convergence, I would say, earlier this week on November 1st, and then we start to see a convergence on the 9 onto the 18-day or 18 moving average, and we are approaching positive MACD. And on the daily chart we were oversold, or very near oversold level. We have not quite touched it yet. The daily MACD is negative and we breached a support, the 100-day moving average, which is a bit concerning. So if we were to make a reversal, and since we're below past support, this now acts as resistance, so we do need to test the resistance and break above it for several days in order to gain back this support level, or else we may head back lower. So at the moment I do see the immediate resistance, since the 9-day moving average and the 100-day moving average coincides at around the price of $17.18. And that also coincides with past support dating back to mid-August as well. So that is our immediate support. As for, or resistance I mean, and as for support, the next support will be the 150-day moving average, and that also coincides with the price back in mid-July around the price of $16.30. So if we were to move on higher, that price movement is roughly around 72 basis points to the upside. And if we were to continue to head down lower, that is roughly 3.7% to the downside. So the forecast model is now available in the link below, so check it out. You can examine the silver futures if we configure the settings, and you can analyze the results that I have gone through the video, and do enjoy that. Again, it's in the link below, so do check it out. So back to the forecast model, I'll go day by day, where silver will head to the next coming days. So we have 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So which one of these models we should focus on? Ideally the model that is the best match to the current trend. Right here we have the current trend, and below is the trend that I believe is the best match. This trend dates back to March 24th, 2014 to June 3rd, 2014. So let me point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here, we start off on the middle Bollinger Band, and then we proceeded to break down further to touch the bottom Bollinger Band. So let's just mark all the instances where we touched the bottom Bollinger Band. So we have 2 on the current trend, and in between those two we were touching the upper Bollinger Band. So we have those points there, and after, so in the trend in question, we see it touch or start off in the middle Bollinger Band, and then we proceeded to break down further to touch the bottom Bollinger Band. And after that we also have another instance where we touch the bottom Bollinger Band, and between those two we see it touch the upper Bollinger Band once. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4 points. We also have 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The outcome and forecast should be fairly the same. So the forecast model that we just examined was March 24th to June 3rd, 2014. Back then silver was up around 2.2%, so we may see silver make a slight small reversal, may even test the 18-day moving average, bounce right above the 100-day moving average as indicated in the technical analysis. And again, this forecast model is now in the link below, so do check it out. If you enjoy this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.